Hello, bhai. Today topic intrinsic value. So what is intrinsic value? Today let's discuss. So intrinsic value. वॉरेन बफेट का बुक पर इंट्रिंसिक वैल्यू का ऊपर बहुत जोर दिया है वॉरेन बफेट. So intrinsic value tells about company is undervalued or overvalued, and it tells about true uh, true price. So company also tells company overvalued, how much should I pay, and company undervalued. So let's discuss intrinsic value. Intrinsic value. Share market is a probability, not certainty. So long term best way to earn money. So intrinsic value, true worth of company. True worth of company. It helps investors to identify company undervalued or overvalued. Undervalued or overvalued. Undervalued or overvalued. Intrinsic value, real value of business. Real value of business. Next, market value, intrinsic and market value. Market value. Market value are what people are currently paying. What people are currently paying. What people are currently paying. So intrinsic value, real value of business, and market value, what people are currently paying. एज एग्जाम्पल सब समझ में आ जाएगा. सपोज किसी कंपनी, सपोज मेरा कंपनी शहीदुल इस्लाम आयुष company. This is my company. So current market price 100, but intrinsic value 150. So company basically undervalued. So below intrinsic value, so company undervalued. Suppose किसी और कंपनी, सपोज शहीदुल एडवोकेट कंपनी, उसका करंट मार्केट प्राइस 200, लेकिन इंट्रिंसिक वैल्यू 140. सो हियर कंपनी ओवरवैल्यूड. So it tells our investor to identify company is undervalued or overvalued. So why intrinsic value is very very important. So why intrinsic value important? Why intrinsic value important? Number one, avoid overpaying for stock. Number one, avoid overpaying of stock. Avoid overpaying of stock. Also helps investor to identify companies undervalued or overvalued. So identify overvalued or undervalued. So overvalued or undervalued. Next, investor also help long-term investor. Is useful long-term investor. So basically share market पर long term is a best way to earn money. So intrinsic value is very important. Next factors that affect intrinsic value. Factor that affect intrinsic value. Factor that affect intrinsic value. Affect intrinsic value. Number one, earning growth. Earning growth. Higher is better for company higher value. So higher is better. So earning growth. Number two, risk. Share market पर not profit calculate or calculate risk. Number two, more risk, lower profit. More risk, lower profit. More risk, lower profit. नंबर थ्री, डेप्ट कम होगा तो अच्छा होगा. Too much debt reduce intrinsic value. So debt, too much debt reduce intrinsic value. Next, inflation. Too much inflation reduce intrinsic value. Too much inflation reduce intrinsic value. So inflation क्या है? Inflation is basically a inflation is a general term when prices rise. Suppose market price 20 rupees, 3 months later it's become 30 rupees. So 10 rupees extra देना पड़ेगा, वो find inflation. So inflation also reduce intrinsic value. So Warren Buffett intrinsic value उसका बोई द इंटेलिजेंट इन्वेस्टर पर बहुत जोर दिया है intrinsic value का. So intrinsic value worth of a company. So how much should I pay? It's help intrinsic value and also help for long term investing. Company overvalued or undervalued. So मेरा टॉपिक intrinsic value